Hey, what's going on YouTube? So you guys know that we just had Hurricane Helen come through. We weren't as close as many. We still were affected. I just wanted to show you guys some of the damage that was caused here at Fort Eisenhower in Georgia. These are all people that I know that sent me photos. And what I want to do is take you guys around the installation. As some of you may know, I'm here for Captain's Career Course here in the Army. I'm just going to take you guys through my neighborhood on the installation here. It got pretty rough last night. We're still currently out of power, but I just wanted to get this out there to show you guys. I know a lot of people are searching for the effects that the hurricane had on certain areas around the country, but yeah, this is us. A lot of trees knocked down, a lot of power lines knocked down, a lot of lights in the city are knocked down. It's kind of Wild West out there. Businesses are closed. There's no food, no grocery stores open. It's been a reaction, you know. Everybody's scrambling around trying to get groceries or whatever. So here you see a tree knocked all the way down. Yeah, just check the video out. I'm just gonna show you guys me riding through Fort Eisenhower. They had soldiers out, which you'll see later in the video. They had some soldiers out, kind of some beautification. But yeah, check out the video.